Hey everyone, it's Chris with Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. Today I'm going to be showing you this amazing 2014 Shelby GT500. This one's got the SVT Performance Package and the track package on it, and a lot of other really good options that you definitely want on a 2014 Shelby GT500. As many of you know, 13-14 was the year that they upgraded the engine from the 5.4 to the 5.8, which was a really big upgrade. Got you a lot more horsepower, 630 horsepower on this car, so plenty of street horsepower for the street. Sorry, I can't speak there, tongue twister. But let's go ahead and jump into this. As you can see, you've got that GT500 bumper. So this bumper is different from just a GT Mustang front end. So you actually get the Shelby front bumper, the hood, and the other ground effects on the car. You also have the matte black racing stripes on this car that look really, really nice. You've got the HID headlights here that look great. You've got that chin spoiler there on the bottom of the front bumper that looks really, really nice. As we work our way around the front of the car here, the fender's in excellent condition. Your gaps are really nice. You've got a nice set of aftermarket wheels there that look fantastic. You got some Kumo tires on there. You've got the Brembo 6-piston brakes up front, so plenty of stopping power for this big horsepower car. As you can see here, you do have your graphics down along the bottom side of the car that say GT500, and you've got that iconic Cobra badging there on the fender to let everyone know not to mess with the king of the street. But anyways, let's go ahead and work to the door here. The door is in excellent condition here. The glass is really nice. All your plastic trim here around the window is still nice and black and looks really nice. Always like it to open up the doors to show you that they do shut good. Doors not sagging. As we look at the rear quarter here, the rear quarter is in excellent condition. All the paint on the trunk lid and the roof, your decals, everything look really nice and great condition. You've got some nice window tint on the car as well. It looks to be about a 20% window tint, if I had to guess on that. The rear quarter's in great condition. I'm not seeing any dents or dings or anything down the side of the car here. It's in really great condition. Once again, you got the aftermarket wheels out back as well. Brand new tires that look really nice. As we work our way around the back side of the car here, the back bumper, you've got that iconic Mustang rear end there. You got the really nice blacked out tail lights here. You got the SVT Shelby GT500 badge there on the rear of the trunk lid that looks really nice. This car does have long tube headers and Corsa exhaust, which sounds freaking amazing coming from that 5.8 supercharged engine up front. But overall, everything on this car on the exterior looks fantastic, guys. This car definitely looks like a car with low miles and in great condition. I don't see any major flaws on this car. But with that being said, let's work our way back up front so I can show you that 5.8 liter Ford V8 supercharged engine. All right, guys, let's check out the engine bay. Let's talk about some of the mods on this 5.8 liter supercharged engine here. You've got that JLT Performance cold air intake. That's a really big plus. It gets that nice cool air into that supercharger so it can breathe it out and get it out those Cook's headers that we have on here and that Corsa catback exhaust. Other than those three upgrades, everything else on the engine is completely original, completely stock, and you can tell that it's been very well maintained and taken care of. It's in great condition. You don't have a bunch of grease and stains all over the supercharger or on the blue valve covers. Overall, really good condition. This car passed our pre-inspection with flying colors, no issues with this thing, and this thing drives fantastic. But overall, very nice engine bay and a very nice engine. That 5.8 liter is a beast of an engine, making over 600 horsepower. You just can't beat that for a street car. But guys, let's work our way to the interior so I can show you what that has to offer. All right, let's check out the interior on this GT500. The first thing that you're going to notice is either going to be the really nice steering wheel with the Alcantara here on the sides, and you're going to notice the Recaro seats in here. These seats are freaking amazing. I get to sit in a lot of different seats in different sports cars and muscle cars, and by far these are some of the best that I've sat in, other than a Camaro Z28. Those seats are pretty nice too, but they're also made by Recaro as well. You're going to notice that beautiful white cue ball shifter there. Feels great in the hand when you're shifting it. Definitely lets you know that you're driving a muscle car. Gauges are cool on this car as well. You've got some nice red accent lighting that shines on the floorboard and in the door jamb and your door handle here at nighttime, which is really cool. Your center console's in great condition here. You've got your trunk button here, your hazards, and your traction control button. Over here, you do have some buttons for launch control. your suspension and your steering tightness, so you can put it in sport mode or regular or comfort, which is really nice. But everything in here is in great condition. You also have the larger display screen in here for your radio, which is really nice versus the little tiny small one that they put in here sometimes. But we'll go ahead and turn this on so you can get an idea of what you got. The Cobra logo that pops up there. AC blows ice cold, guys, in this car. The dash is in great condition. It's not cracked or anything weird like that. The headliner's in great condition. Your back seats look like they've never even been sat in. But overall, a fantastic interior. One thing I do want to mention too, your carpet's in great condition, and the previous owner wrapped the floor mats in plastic, so they're going to be nice and clean for you when you get them. They're going to be in good condition. Stereo system sounds fantastic in this car as well. You also have a sub in the trunk that I forgot to mention, a little 10-inch sub, which gives you some good bass in this car. But guys, the best part about this GT500 is the way it drives. So what do you say we go take it for a cruise? Go ahead. All right, guys, we're out cruising in the GT500, and this is such a fantastic car. With all the upgraded suspension from Shelby, the good tires on here, this thing just handles beautifully. The gearbox is fantastic on it. That Corsa exhaust sounds so good on here. This is such a nice car. This is a lot of car for the money, guys. For $50,000, $55,000, get a car with 600 horsepower, all the upgraded suspension, all the tech that's in this car, you just cannot beat it. It's just a fantastic driving car, and it's very, very fast as well too, guys. We'll turn around right here. I'll get on her just a little bit, show you what she's got. We're not gonna turn any of the traction control stuff off. Keep it safe. I don't want anything to happen to my cameraman. So let's go right here, guys. Somebody's been doing some donuts. I wonder who that was. All right, here we go, guys. Still spun a little bit there though, guys, but this is such a badass car, guys. 630 horsepower in this thing. It just is a absolute beast, and this thing makes a lot of torque too, versus like a lot of your Coyote engines like the 5.0s, they'll make big horsepower, like 700 horsepower with a big blower, but only make 500 foot-pounds of torque. This car makes right around 600 foot-pounds of torque as well too. So you get the torque and you get the horsepower, which really makes this fun to drive. I just love the sound of that exhaust. All right, guys, well, we're gonna wrap this video up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is one sweet car, and whoever gets to own it is gonna be very, very lucky. But if you guys are interested in this car, give us a call at 770-738-7111. If you'd like to see all the detailed pictures and description that we have on this car, you can go to our website at collectiblemotor.com, click on inventory, scroll down until you see this beautiful 2014 Shelby GT500. But guys, till the next time, we'll catch you later.